In our last video, we talked about repeating decimals. When we convert fractions, we know that we need to, into decimals, divide the numerator by the denominator. And I want to look at a pattern that you might have noticed and may have not. So let's see. I'm now going to convert 4/9 into a decimal. And once again, I'm going to divide the numerator by the denominator. And in this case, I'm going to add some zeros. I put in my decimal point. I'm going to bring my decimal point up. And 9 will fit into 40 4 times, which is 36. And I subtract, and I get a 4 again. And I bring down a 0. And 9 will fit into 40 4 times, which is 36. Get a 4. I bring down my 0. And at this point, I'm pretty certain that this is a repeating decimal. And it's just going to go on forever and ever. And what do I have here? Well, I have that 4/9 equals 0.4 repeating. Now, think about this for a second. If 2/9 equals 0.2 repeating, and 4/9 equals 0.4 repeating, well, if you haven't already guessed it, 5/9 is going to equal 0.5 repeating. And 3/9 would equal 0.3 repeating. And this pattern occurs all the time when we're dealing with decimals that repeat. For instance, let me show you one. I'm not going to divide here. I'm just going to show you the pattern. I'm going to slide this up a little bit so we can see another example. And that would be working with 11ths. 1/11, it equals 0.09 repeating. And 2/11 equals 0.18 repeating. And 3/11 equals 0.27 repeating. And this is just one more example, sorry, move that up, of patterns that you'll find when you're working with mathematics.